Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I am coming at you guys with a birthday try-on haul. Guys, I turned 27 on May 15th and that was interesting. I feel great. I hope I look great, and I had a great birthday, so I'm very thankful. Happy birthday to me. This company sent me some clothes. Thank you guys. Know Your Fashion Style. I really like their clothing. It's really affordable. I think they're overseas, if I'm not mistaken, and they just have some really cute clothes. They're gonna send me some more pieces, so I will be doing another haul, but that's not what this is about. I did some shopping before my birthday to get a few outfits for my trip to LA, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got. So the first piece I have is the one that I'm actually wearing right now. This one I got from Fashion Nova. This is a lime green midi dress. I love this. It is so cute. It's so stylish. I wore this not on my birthday, but on my birthday trip. I went out. I got so drunk. I don't want to talk about it, but this was a really cute outfit, and I'm definitely gonna wear it again because I did not take any pictures in it and it was hitting. So this next piece I have is interesting. I thought that it was going to be like kind of like a jumpsuit, like not a jumpsuit but a one piece. I thought I would be able to wear it out like with some jeans or like leather pants, but no. In the picture on Fashion Nova, the girls' nipples were not showing. It was mesh, but obviously they can't show that on their website, even though some pictures they kind of do. But in this particular picture, you could not see anything, so I thought that I wouldn't be able to see anything, but that's not the case. So this is the top, well, onesie or whatever you like to call it. This is it. As you guys can see, it is completely mesh and see-through all the way through, so that's interesting. I'm gonna have to save this, I guess, for like when I have a boyfriend or something. The next item I want to show you guys is this cute lavender dress from Fashion Nova. It is so cute. I was actually going to wear this on my birthday, but I figured it was too plain, and I do make clothes, so I figured I should probably make something for my birthday. I'll insert a picture of what I ended up wearing. So this is the dress. I don't know if you guys can see the color, but it is so pretty. I love wearing purple. I feel like it complements my skin tone so well. So yeah, I'll definitely be wearing this, but it was just a little too plain for my birthday, so didn't wear that. This next piece was also going to be for my birthday. I got a bunch of options just in case I wanted to switch it up. So yeah, it is kind of like extra and out there, but I figured I could make something better, and as you guys can see, I kind of made something inspired by it, but not just like it. This one is a dress. It doesn't look how it looks on camera. Like on camera it looks really sparkly and glittery, but up close, let's see if you guys could see that, it's like really gritty. It's like that metallic material, and it's just like boxes, really. Yeah, I don't really like that one, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's not very flattering. My sister wore like the same exact dress for New Year's like 2 years ago, and it looked great on her, so I don't know why I don't like it, but it's not my stilo. So that's all for the Fashion Nova items that I got for my birthday. So now we're gonna move on to the Know Your Fashion Style. They are so kind to partner with me. So the first item I'm gonna show you guys is this dress. This one is so cute. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it when I first saw it in person, but once I put it on, I was like, yes, this is cute. You guys, you cannot go wrong with vertical lines. Look at this. This is cute. This is cute. It's kind of see-through, but like when you have it on, for some reason it's not. It's really weird, like but it is a thin material. It's like that slinky material. It's pretty long, so if you're tall, it will be comfortable fitting. But yeah, and if you're short, it will be like kind of midi length. So, but this one is really cute. I really like it. I got it in a size large. The next item I'm going to show you guys is this dress that I got from them. This is like, I saw this exact dress on Kylie Jenner and I was looking for it everywhere. At first I thought it was like a bodysuit, like pants and a, you know, tube top connected, but then she posted another picture and I saw that it was a dress and I'm like, I need that dress. And they happen to have it on their website. This dress is so cute. It's not see-through. It is like a good solid material. I wore this in California. It's so long, it touches the ground, it complements my skin tone. It's really cute, and yeah, they did it with this dress. The next dress I'm going to show you guys is the exact same dress, but this one is in lime green. Lime green is kind of a trend, I feel like, this year. So yeah, there's a lot of lime green things online right now on every boutique, but this particular little number is so cute. For some reason I feel like it's thinner material than the tan one. This one is like see-through. Be careful with this dress, ladies. If you do have like a big stomach or bulges anywhere, the ruffles and the ruching does stop wherever you bulge, so it does accentuate your butt, but it will accentuate a stomach or anything too.
They put bacon in both of them.
So the next item I'm gonna show you guys is this dress. This dress is so cute. Like, for some reason, like, I'm obsessing over this dress. Like, I can't wait to wear it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear it to. I feel like I need to be on an island or something, or a vacation. I don't have a babe, but like, I need one so I can wear this dress. So this is the dress. It's really, really pretty. It's like a salmon and like teal aqua blue kind of color. I had to kind of fix the top because I didn't like the way that it looped through these things, so I did change it. But you can kind of figure it out yourself, I feel like. Yeah, definitely shows the cleavage, so you do need to have a chest. I feel like my chest is too small for it, but I love this dress. I can't wait to wear this. Yeah, they did it with this one. I wish they had like more colors that I like. They do have other options, but I wasn't really into the patterns. The next item I got is this little two-piece number. This is really, really, really nice. My friend has this exact same one, and I don't know where she got it, but this is really cute. It's really good material. Like, nothing's coming apart. It's really nice. The pants have a zipper in the back. Yeah, really good quality. I'm really impressed. The only thing is that it doesn't quite fit me. I'm 5'10", so yeah, it's just not quite fitting. It's more for like a petite, I feel like, or a shorter girl than me with like a really small top. I really like the top because I like how it has the mesh like area on the sides of your cleavage. That's really cute, and it doesn't show anything. It's just like just the right amount of sexy, so I'm into that. The next thing I got is this two-piece number. It's little cute snake skin. Again, it has the neon green in it. This is really, really dope. I saw it a lot on like Instagram, and so I really wanted to buy it. I wore this in Vegas because in California I ended up going to Vegas towards the end of my trip. This is really cute. I did have to take it in. You know, guys, I'm a seamstress, so I'm able to tailor my own clothing, so it does run a little bit big, but this is so cute. It's pretty thin, but it's still like good solid material. It is that slinky material. It's not see-through, and it has like a zipper on the skirt, so it's not like a cheaply made skirt. And everything on that site, if you look, is like under $20. I don't know, but yeah, go there. It's cute stuff. So the next thing I have for you guys is this bikini set. This one is dope. Like, the material, the pattern on there, the colors, like, really complements some melanin skin, guys. This is really cute. I really like how the top is. It's thin enough and like small enough that you can wear it the traditional way, or you can turn it around like I'm gonna show you now that I did, and you could wear it like in your own unique style. That is really cute. I've never actually worn a bikini out like that because I've never had one that will tolerate that, but this one definitely will. I like how it has a little slip skirt, so you can just tie it around you, or you can put it around your head because it does kind of look like a scarf. So you have the option to do whatever you want with this piece. Here are the colors up close. It is kind of like a snake print. I really like this. This next bikini set, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I like it, but yeah. So it's cheetah print. This one, it's interesting. It only, like, they tie it for you, like they connect it for you on one side of the bikini, and the other side of the bikini is like a string. I don't really know why they did that, because it's a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but I guess it looks cool. It looks okay. They did the same thing with the top. There's one area which goes around your neck, the part that goes around your neck, and that one, that's tied for you, and then you have the like part that goes around your waist that's not tied. That could be a little inconvenient, but you know, I guess they were trying to be like different. I'm not sure. What I do like about it is that it comes with this like long kind of robe-y cover up, and it's really cute. It's sheer like mesh material, so it's kind of see-through. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little bit see-through, and it's long, really long. I love it. I think it's so cute. I would wear it with other bathing suits or bikinis because it's that cute. This next item is a two-piece set. This one is so cute. Like, I saw it and I was like, I really want it. I'm really gonna wear this like to a cookout or something. It's so cute, but unfortunately it didn't fit. The top is too small. I can get it on, but it just stretches it out to where it's like, it looks like a tube top. This last item I have is this two-piece bikini set. It's again lime green, and I like how it has like the accent little army fatigue bottom. That's really cute. And I like how it has the cutout triangle part in the front crotch area. This is the top. I wanted to show you guys this on camera because I want you to know that it is kind of see-through. So I know like it's a bathing suit, you're not supposed to wear a bra underneath it, but if you can wear like a bathing suit top underneath it, yeah, I suggest you do. Let's see if you guys can see this. You can't really tell, but it is see-through, and you can see like everything because of the material. So I would definitely suggest wearing a bathing suit top underneath it, but this is really cute. Like, I can't wait to take pictures in this. Like, I don't know if I would wear it like in the pool, but I'm definitely gonna take pictures in it at the beach somewhere, most definitely. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this haul. Oh no, it's not. I also got this dress. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing. This dress is really cute. It's like snakeskin, and it has like a halter, like a closed halter. This dress, I did have to take it in. It is so stretchy that it was like too stretchy and became too big, so I did have to take it in. This one is in a size US 12, so I definitely should have sized down. Yeah, it was baggy on me. That's not cute, so I did have to take it in, but the material is so nice. It is like a cottony material, but look at the pattern. It's like true snakeskin pattern. That's cute. So for real guys, this time that is all for this try on haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, rate, all of that. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see another haul, I'm definitely gonna bring another haul from Know Your Fashion Style because they gave me some cute items and they're sending me more, so stay tuned for that. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next one, bye.